Good morning, kindergarten. It's Wednesday. Usually Wednesdays are PE day. I hope you're going through that packet that Mrs. Freeman sent home and you're doing some of those fun activities at home so you can keep moving and keep in shape. But it is really fun to get to go to the gym with Mrs. Freeman, isn't it? I remember the obstacle courses that you guys have got to do, and usually you come back and all your cheeks are rosy and you're sweating. Everybody needs a big drink when we get back to class. That's fun about PE. Let's go over our schedule. Class meeting, morning work, literacy block, and math. Remember, some of these activities, keep doing them at home. You don't have to, remember this one that was you're matching up the letter with, well, a tiger and a bee don't go together, but you're matching up the letter with the thing, bow, tiger. Keep practicing these at home. You don't have to just do it when I put it on the video. Now you have this as a fun activity to do at home to keep remembering your letter sounds, okay? So keep working on those things. Let's do our calendar. Yesterday was the 7th. What comes after 7? 8. Make an S and close the gate. We're gonna use our singing voice. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, 2020. Oh man, for me, it is another cloudy morning. I want these clouds to go away, but for now, all I see are clouds. Man, that's a bummer. It looks like clouds are winning, and I wish it was the sunshine that was winning. Maybe next week the sun will win, who knows? Oh, next week is spring break, so we won't have videos. You'll have a break from doing videos and doing our classroom work for the week to just play and spend time with your family. So that's next week that we won't, and then we will again the week after that have videos again, okay? All right, let's do our morning work next. All right, here we go, morning work. Next page is day 137. Write your name at the top. Yesterday we started doing the fill in the blank. We'll keep going with that. Let's start by looking at our sight words. To, in, is, you. First sentence, go, blank, sleep. Go to sleep, go in sleep, go is sleep, go you sleep. Which word makes sense? To. Go to sleep. Do your grown-ups ever tell you that? I bet they do. They say, go to sleep. Sentence 2. Oh my goodness, this sentence is true. I miss blank. I miss in. I miss is. I miss you. Yep, it's this one. And it's definitely true. I miss you. Sentence 3. Let me blank the house. Let me in the house. Let me is the house. I think in makes more sense. Let me in the house. And our last sentence, number 4. She blank nice. Here's the answer is. She is nice. So down below, we'll need our pencil and our crayons again. We're gonna keep working on story bond, or number bonds, but we're gonna have a fun little story to go with it now. So over here, The directions say read this story and draw the objects. Use the number bond to solve, and then we'll write a number sentence down below. So it says Emily had 3 orange fish. Let's do that first. There's Emily's 3 orange fish. And she had 2 blue fish. So take out your blue. Emily had 3 orange fish and 2 blue fish. We need to figure out how many fish she had in all. Let's use our number bond first. Remember how we make our parts? Our first part will be orange fish. How many orange fish? 3. Our next part will be blue fish. How many blue fish? 2. How many fish all together? 5. So our number bond is complete. Now we're going to figure out our number sentence. So our number sentence says blank plus blank equals blank. The first part of our number sentence is the first part of our number bond. So do you remember what we figured out first? We figured out orange fish. So how many orange fish? 3. Then we figured out how many blue fish. That was our second part. We're putting 3 and 2 together, so we're adding them. Then we figure out how many fish we had all together. That was our whole. We put our whole over here. What's our whole? 5. So our number sentence says 3 plus 2 equals 5. Next, let's look at this. Ben had 7 crayons. Let's make Ben's crayons pink. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pink crayons for Ben. And then his friend gave him 1 more. His friend gave him 1 black crayon. We need to figure out how many crayons Ben has now. So let's start by plugging in our parts. How many pink crayons did Ben start with? 7. How many black crayons did his friend give him? 1. How many crayons does Ben have all together? 8. Just like over here, we're going to plug these numbers in down below. Blank plus blank, those are our 2 parts. Our first part was 7, remember from up here? Our other part was the black crayons, that's 1. And then our whole goes over on this side. Our whole is 8. So when we say this number sentence, we can say 7 plus 1 equals 8. Nice job. All right, guys, today for literacy block, let's get in our packet. Remember the front says spin and write. We did list 1, list 2. We're going to skip list 3 because you guys are way past this. I, in, it. You can go back and do this on your own if you choose. Today we're going to work on list 4 of on, said. So get out your paper clip. And you'll spin some words. My first word is on. Of. I'm going to say that's said. Remember, we work on the word said in reading groups a lot, don't we? Another said. On. Of. Said. On. Said. On. Of. Said. 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 So now I'm going to go back and read each of my words. On, of, said, said, on, of, said, on, said, on, of, said, said, said. Remember, like last time, color them by what word they are. So all of the planets that say of, color one color. All of the planets that say on, color the same color. And all of the planets that say said, color the same color. Word practice today too. So you just finished doing the spin and write list 4. But we're also going to go to flip and write sight words. Now, we're not going to use these because we already have all of our sight words in this pack. So you're going to keep your pack flipped over. Like this. And then you'll flip one card over. And you'll write it. Now, the directions say that you can rainbow write it if you want. That's your choice. I'm just going to use my pen to write it. So my first word is what? Said. Your first word will probably be something different. What's my next word? With. Have. Are. Ooh, remember we just started working on these? This is one of those number words. 5. They. Am. 2, little, me, do, one, I, my, 4, and what's my last one going to be? A, the shortest of all. So these are what my words look like. Your words probably won't be exactly the same because I bet your sight word cards are in different order. So after you get done writing them all, go back and read them to yourself for extra practice. For math today, we're going to look back in this. You also need those little cards from yesterday. We need to get them back in the order they go in. So if you need to pause now to do that, you can. You can use your beans again like yesterday. So we can get these pictures back together because we're going to use them to do some math writing today, okay? So I'm going to start here with this. And in my packet, I'm going to go until I get, it says math puzzles. And we haven't done this one yet. We'll do this another day, or this one either. We're looking at this page. We have to solve the puzzles and then we have to write each math fact family. So the family means all of these that equal the same thing. So for zeros, it's sort of easy because it's all the same. 0 plus 0, that's this one. 0 plus 0. 0 plus 0. And 0 plus 0. Hooray, we did the 0 family. Now I'm going to scoot those out of the way and work on the ones. So you'll get your one puzzle together and you'll start writing them right here under the 1. These are the fact family. 1 plus 0. 0 plus 1. 1 plus 0. And 0 plus 1. So you'll write all of those down in order, like on the picture. Next, we're moving on to 2. We'll start up here. 2 plus 0. 1 plus 1. 0 plus 2.
1 plus 1. And last, we'll look at 3s. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 0, 2 plus 1, 0 plus 3, just like this. Next week, we'll start working on 4 and 5 and maybe 6 and 7. I don't know. We'll see. So this is as far as we're going right now. So just keep this in your math book so it will still be here next week when we work on the other numbers.